Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, wagwan. There again, my people. Blessed manners and respect each and every one. There are certain things I want to talk about in this video. And I'm going to start off by talking about a video that shows a person laying down on part of a road. Now, I'm not sure why the person was somehow laying down in such a position and that dangerous too. I mean, what if a motor vehicle or a motorist that drive a motor vehicle and what if? But anyways, when I first saw the video, I'm not sure why the person was laying down like that. But in the video, when at least one person said the word rum. Yes, when I said, no, people, I'm not confirming any words said in the video to be accurate or even true. But if so be the case, OMG. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This is what rum do to you. Alright, do not with the Ray and nephew. And guess what? Me catch me another victim. Watch it. Yeah man. See him there? Dead.
Get up and go home, yeah. Get up.
Oh.
Now you get up and go home.
Yes. Up.
Get up.
Hey. Rum.
Close the person down here to look there.
I've been spending billions of dollars.
You spend billions of dollars, but you spend billions of rand. Go over there, so go sleep. Come out the road. Go over there, sir. Hey, get up.
Hey, rich on me.
Eh?
Rich.
Rich.
Yeah man, that's where we go. That's where the blood clot go. Yeah man. Hey, me tell you sir, a grave digging miss me, you know. Yeah man, my doings. My doings. Sorry boss, you had to be the victim, I'm sorry.
Look here, come get up and come over here. So come over there.
Yes, so look, waiting on my point of view.
I feel sorry for him, but not too sorry. I'm sorry, but not too sorry.
When you're too craven, if you feel your head a turn, leave it alone.
Suppose rain fall. And look at the person that lie down on part of our roadway. Look what the person that lay down on the road. Look there. People, that's one topic right there. So yeah, I'm gonna go up to the person, alright, overall. Yes, I say, but I'm gonna go up to the person and end up in that kind of situation again. It don't look good. So on another topic here, my people. Now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, shows a situation that it had me thinking. Based on what we see in the video, I reached to the conclusion that the video shows some things that happened when a female interrupted what is believed to be a wedding in progress. However, the female said a male who you can see in the video is her husband. My people, look and listen to this video for yourself. Because if this video is really of a true situation, then my people, this really and truly look bad and you look away. Only in the movies me see certain things look so similar. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This wedding can't go on. This man here is my husband. This is my child and he is my girl. He is very strong with me. I don't know what's happening here. This man here is my husband. I don't know what is happening here. He is very strong. Father. My husband. What is this you people? That whatever you want to do, even if it's no, leave me alone. Father, even if it's Mama, And that's so good. My children, can you stop me? My children, please stop me. Sorry. This man is my husband. We haven't divorced. We haven't separated. We never quarreled. We even slept with you. This morning is from home. I don't know what is happening here. And I've come with my children. These are my girls. Switch it off. These are my girls. Switch it off.
Wow. My people, let me say these words as carefully as I can, you see. Yeah, I think by now a lot of people might have seen this video. Places out there in the world. But listen, see, when a person is upset, they might say and do things that might not be as what it seems. But at times, it just might be. Listen up. The female said that the male is her husband. I'm not able to confirm if that is accurate or even true. The male, in my point of view, the male, look, the woman bring out pitney. You don't know what that, the pitney did behind the woman with something somewhat holding the pitney hand to the woman and so. My people, what a situation. My people, what is not that? Eh? But hey, my people, I'm not able to confirm if some words said in the video are accurate or even true, but look how we right there, so. But they don't know if that's real or not. But if so the case, it's set out here. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. So I read a news article that had these words. Prime Minister DR Andrew Holness has described PNP supporters in Central Kingston as badmind and angry. He made the remark during a tour of the constituency on Thursday. The people may even hear one audio pertaining to this whole thing. You understand me? But anyways, I'm only going by words I'm reading a news article. I'm not the one saying these words. I'm just reading some words from the news article that I saw. You understand me? So let me read some more. So some more words that was in the same news article said that according to Holness, the comrades are upset that their fellow citizens are choosing to exercise their right to participate in the political process. The Prime Minister's comments come just days after a shooting incident in which the Member of Parliament, Donovan Williams, and his campaign team were shot at. Again, I'm not the one saying these words, I'm only reading from a news article that I saw, my people. See? So now we hear this. Anyways, another topic. So I saw a video that shows some things that happened when a person put his head and face lower than a female's head, right in front of a crowd of persons. Or should I say a crowd of people? And when it comes on to the female that I'm talking about, I know that some people look like people, so I think it is best for you to take a look at the screen for yourself and see the female's face that I'm talking about. So the person did something that some people might consider to be inappropriate to the female right in front of some people. The person rubbing mouth power material. And some comments have been made on social media where I saw the video posted. Let me read some of the words from some of the comments that we see the people. Words from a comment from someone are, "My lad, what in the Burger King is this today?" Words in another comment are, "From you see the paint nails, CANT, expect nothing better." Another comment said, "Is that nail polish or is fingers?" What's up mention about nail polish? But anyways, so another comment from someone said, "Who makes the rum?" I'm see another comment, a munch. And me say another comment of everything good. Whereas another comment are them pants was working like a, I mean I mention that part. Whereas another comment are, I know his face is sweaty, leather is hot. Another comment said, nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. One more comments to the people. Yeah, one more comments there. Some of the comments that I don't even want to mention in this video. But so the person did something that some people might consider to be inappropriate. And a lot of comments have been made on social media about what the person had done. You can also leave your comment or comments and let me know what you think about what the person had done. If you have a good idea about the situation and so forth. Because I say, I think that's the best way we can explain based on how I can. Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, I'm Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.